Want to build a high-performing trading bot but don't know how to code? AI tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude make it possible for anyone to create powerful cBots in Python for cTrader, and this video will demonstrate how. Start by opening cTrader Algo in cTrader Windows or Mac, then create a new trading bot. Choose Python as the programming language and select a suitable template from the list. cTrader provides a wide variety of Python templates, covering every strategy type, analysis style, or automated trading activity. The full collection of templates is available in the Algo creation wizard in cTrader and also in our public repository on GitHub. Find the link in the description below. These pre-built algorithms already contain full trading logic and adjustable parameters, so they are ready to use once you save and build them. Suppose we specialize in breakout trading. We will therefore select Sample Breakout cBot. Detailed descriptions of certain templates, including Sample Breakout cBot, are available in the cTrader Help Center. This cBot takes advantage of price movement beyond a predefined support or resistance level, and the Bollinger Bands indicator drives its decisions. Let's build the cBot and perform a one-year backtest using the default parameters to evaluate its results. The cBot produces a 22% gain for this period, delivering 74 winning trades from 194 in total. Now, with AI, we can upgrade the cBot's code for better results and identify parameter combinations that produce higher returns. We know that RSI, a momentum indicator, helps filter out weak breakouts or false signals, blending perfectly and complementing the Bollinger Bands used in Sample Breakout cBot. A working RSI integration was provided in a Help Center article, so we take this snippet and instruct AI to implement the same RSI filters in the Breakout robot code. Let's type in a prompt for the AI tool. Study the RSI integration in Super cBot, then implement the same RSI filters in Special cBot. Attach the code snippets for both the Special cBot and Super cBot with RSI to the prompt. AI thinks and then provides the code for Special cBot integrated with RSI. Next, we will ask AI to recommend parameter settings. I want the cBot to generate smoother, slower signals that pair naturally with the RSI filter. I prefer fewer trades but cleaner breakouts. I'm setting the consolidation period to 1 because I want the cBot to act immediately when volatility compresses. Which moving average type is best for this? AI thinks and then provides some useful information. It recommends Wilder's smoothing as the best moving average type based on the requirements in our prompt. Let's return to the code editor and apply some of the recommended changes. We paste the updated code and build the upgraded cBot. When backtesting, we set the moving average to Wilder smoothing, as recommended by the AI. This time, the backtesting report over the same period shows a 97% gain, a massive improvement when compared to the 22% delivered by the original cBot. The new result demonstrates how effective AI guidance can be in refining cBot performance and optimizing trading parameters to deliver better results. The win rate also improved significantly, delivering 51 winning trades from a total of 93. Thanks to cloud synchronization, the new cBot is automatically available from all cTrader apps where your cTrader ID is active. You can even start the trading bot from your mobile cTrader app. Because the cBot runs in cloud, it continues trading 24 hours non-stop, even if your cTrader app is closed or your device is off. No VPS necessary. Optionally, you can monetize your cBot in cTrader Store, a secure and dynamic marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of trading products. To publish a product, select the cBot you want to sell directly from cloud and provide the necessary details. Once published, the algorithm goes live in cTrader Store, becoming available for millions of cTrader users to purchase. Algo distribution via cTrader Store is completely secure, as your source code is never revealed or uploaded anywhere. Your intellectual property is respected, as each purchase is single-user and non-transferable. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Algo videos and cTrader content.